Alright, I just received my FASS Fuel system that I've been waiting for. This is the model right there. We're going to open up this box and see exactly what's in there. When I was purchasing it, I wasn't exactly sure. It wasn't quite descriptive enough, so I don't know if it has fittings, lines, what's got going on. So there's the box. I live in Canada. I just ordered it from a local dealer and it showed up for under $1,000. So that works out. Let me get things set up and let's open it up. All right, here's the box. Let's open it up. It looks brand new. Nobody's ever opened it. That's always a good thing. All right. So, first of all, that's nicely packaged. Put this off to the side. And then we will remove that. And that's what we got. So it does come with filters. I wasn't sure. It never said anything about that. There's the meat and potatoes of it. Warranty void if removed. So it's got fittings. It's got one fitting. Let's see what else we got. Looks like a mounting bracket. That'll come in handy. Filters, O-rings. Another filter, O-ring. Another mounting bracket. And that's that. I do see some goodness. All right. Comes with a nice wiring harness. Has good ends. Pre-clipped. That looks like a circuit breaker box. Let's get right into here. Oh, so it comes with a relay. That's just a slip housing for it. And the wiring harness. Looks like there's quite a bit of it there, which is good. And voila. This was the question. I didn't know if I was going to have new hose. It comes with hose. And here's a bag of goodies. So it comes with plenty of fittings. Some connectors. More hoses. Ah, there's the fitting. Perfect. More mounting hardware. These are actually rubbers. Nice aluminum bushings. Zip ties. Mounting hardware. More fittings. Plenty of fittings. More fittings. A collar of some sort. I will have to go through and see exactly what that's for. O-rings. More hardware. Hose clamps. Fuses. More mounting hardware. I'm guessing those are for the filters. Elbows. There we go. I'm impressed with all the fittings. I think I should have everything that I need. A couple of hose clamps. And of course, stickers. Everybody likes stickers when you spend $1,000. And a nice little flower. So I hope that helps you out. That answers a lot of questions. It's got everything that I was hoping that it was supposed to have. All right, a quick comparison to, this is the feed line, the factory feed line that goes to your mechanical pump. And this is the fitting that goes in. Now this is what FASS Fuel gives you. It's quite a wonderful difference. So you can see inside there. And that one's just straight through, but there's just so much more volume waiting, so I like it.